Hello, I'm Denita. I'm an engineer and I'm also a co-founder of Skrivbord. Today, I'm recording a demo with some of the basic features of Skrivbord. This is a dashboard overview with the number of customers on the database, projects total, revenue, and invoices. All the information here at Skrivbord is only test data. This is not real information. It's just for the purpose of the demo. Here on the left, we have all the main modules of Skrivbord, as you can see here. So I will start with the customer. I'm selecting customer. This is the customer layout. As you can see, at add, we have all the actions that you can have with this customer. Let's start with an appointment. Okay, I'm going to assign it to a salesperson, to me, Lolita. Okay, task is inspection. I'm going to notify the customer. Yes, as you can see, immediately it opens the email with the notification for this appointment. This is all information that can be added at settings, so you can preset all the emails how you want, and they will be generated automatically for each customer. So I'm closing it. Okay, I'm not sending the email. So now that we did the appointment, I'm going to show you one of our main features, which is calendar here. This is the daily view of calendar. As you can see, we have 2 appointments for today. One is for employee Lolita, is for the customer Anthony Harrison, and also with the information, with the address of the customer and everything. Here we can see the monthly view of the appointment, which is here. It has all the information of the appointments that we have. So let's go at customer. Automatically sends me to the last customer that I was working on. So also I wanted to mention, as you can see here, the button QuickBooks. You can choose to integrate your customer's information with QuickBooks or not. So this is Skrivbord is fully integrated with QuickBooks, so it's your choice if you want to integrate it or not. So let's add a quote to this customer. As you can see, Skrivbord has a lot of features. I'm just showing some main ones. So you can order a live demo or order the trial to set up. For the trial, we have a 14-day trial, so you can do that. As you can see, all the information of the customer is transferred here also, and we can continue the summary. We can add the word. You can write all this information at settings, and it will show here with just a click. Also here, the information is editable. I'm going to hit save, and just now that we wrote the information, the work that we have to do at this customer with prices, let's use templates, and let's explain in detail to the customer what are we going to do on this quote. So with Skrivbord, we use a lot of templates. These are all templates that we have already done at settings. You can modify them, add others. It's totally based on you. So I'm just selecting some of the work that we'll do at this customer. Just selecting. Now I'm going to use another template. Okay. So preview. Yes, so this is the quote preview. We can add information here, blue. And also drag photos. This is a test photo, of course. We also have the option, if you have this quote in an Excel file, you have the option to import and export the information. So I'm doing a finish. I did this quote. As you can see, here's a summary. the elements that were put with prices, and here are the ones without prices. So, okay, we can see it here. Now, this is the information of the quote. We can add a lot of things to this quote as material measurements, estimate, everything. But I'm just doing a quote without that data and just sending one. So to make this video as short as possible. So, okay, yes, this is the correct sum. Okay, as you can see, it automatically opens the email. Everything is editable at settings. Everything is automatic. As you can see, this is the template. This is also editable at settings. It automatically generated the PDF. So this is the PDF with all the information of the customer, of the company, what we selected before. And yes, this is the category in the script with prices. Here we have the total, and here we have, this is also editable as information, all the information about insurances, licenses that it will be generated on each quote. Yes, so this is the PDF, guys. I'm closing it. It's attached to the email. It has all the information of the customer here. You can also change the subject of the email at settings. So I'm not sending it. Okay, so now we did a quote, and we have a very easy way to transform this quote into a project if you have agreed with the client about this quote. And I'm going to transform it into a project. Yes, I'm scheduling it. Okay, to a crew. Okay, this is a project. This is all test information, so I will change the date here. Okay. Yes, I'm saving. Yes, I will notify the customer. This is the email which is generated automatically. I'm not sending it. Okay. So now, as you can see, all the information from quote to project was transferred. So you have all the information here. Here we have all the options that we can do. For example, something that is very important is a work order. So this is the layout of the work order. You can create tasks here. And this task, you have different options to choose from the work order template, which is at settings, or you can just choose from project, the one that we selected from project. Okay, immediately I'm just doing a save. Yes, so we selected this. As you can see, I did the save this work order. Here I'm opening, and this is the work order. I can also edit it. We can use work orders for in-house crews or subcontractors. So based on your choice, and you can also add the costs because the costs are calculated differently with subcontractor and in-house crews. In-house crews are related to timesheet, which is another model, as Skrivbord, and you can calculate in real time what is the amount of hours your employees have spent on this project and calculate the cost of it. And also with subcontractor, you can assign the sum for this work order. I just wanted to say that your subcontractor and also in-house crews can use Skrivbord from their iPhones, and the layout is totally different on phone, and they have only access to their work orders and only the materials that are related to them. They do not have access to see other things in the software. Now I am a project that we were working before, and we can invoice this project. So yes, this is the invoice. You also have the options. As you can see, this is not connected with QuickBooks, but you have the options to create this invoice on QuickBooks and connect it. So this is the information. This is the invoice form. If you want, you can send also partial invoices. I'm just going to send a partial invoice here. So I will select from invoice. Here we have only one item to select. If we had two items, we could select only one of the two. So, okay, selected this and I'm saving it. Yes, saving it. Okay. So, we can just email this customer with the invoice. As you can see, the email and also the PDF is generated automatically. With all the information, everything, it is editable. I'm closing it. Yes, don't save. Okay, so these are some of the main features of Skrivbord. Please contact me if you are interested to learn something more about another module. Thank you and email us at support@skrivbord.com.